Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. And today's video I'm going to be sharing with you guys how I was able to get one of my artist song playlisted on Audiomack and trending on Boomplay. So you can see right here, if I head over to Audiomack right here, you can see right here that one of my artist song right here has over 50,000 plays plus, and this number is still counting basically. So you can see right here that this song was able to get on trending on Audiomack, and you can see right here these are a couple of playlists that the song has been playlisted on Audiomack. So I know you guys might be wondering, oh, how can you also do the same thing for yourself? So for those of you that might be coming across my video for first time, Miss Ayola, I'm a music promoter and also an artist manager. So I kind of manage a couple of artists. I've been in the music industry for a couple of years right now, so I understand how the industry works. So basically you can see right here that this is one of my artists right here that I am currently promoting. So you can see this is the name of the artist. Her name is called Femi. So and this is the name of the track right here. You can see right here that this song is on Audiomack trending. So let me just reload this to tell you that this song is on Audiomack trending. So you can see right here this song is trending on Audiomack in Nigeria. So in this video I'm going to show you guys how I was able to do this for this artist, so you can also do the same for yourself. So you can see right here that this song is part of a couple of trending songs on Audiomack, and if I actually head over to the artist profile, you can see right here that this artist is a small artist. So this artist is like she's still a new artist, and basically she has started getting some traction. So you can see she has over 500,000 plus streams on Audiomack, and you can see that she has only just 2,000 plus followers on Audiomack. So you can see these are monthly listeners. So basically she's intro hip hop and she's based in Abuja, Nigeria. So you can also do well to check her out. So if you actually head over to our Instagram page, you're gonna notice that she's a new artist. So she has kind of like get on a couple of editorial on Audiomack, on Spotify and all of that. So in my next video, I'm gonna be creating a video on how we actually did that for her. Basically it's in order for you to get your song on Audiomack trending or to get a song on editorial playlist right here, this platform I always use to do some of my editorial works for artists basically. But if I actually show you guys the website I use in getting her on Audiomack trending and on Audiomack editorial, so you can see right here that these are a couple of editorial playlists that she has been featured on. So you can see these are a lot of playlists right here. These are a lot of playlists basically right here. So yeah, now without further ado, let's just dive into the video. So the platform I used to get on editorial on Audiomack is actually this platform right here called Vibmel. Just click on the first link in the video description. It's gonna take you here. So for those of you that might be following me right here for a while, you're gonna notice that I've been talking about Vibmel for a while. So a lot of you might actually know Vibmel to be like a music distribution company and all of that, but Vibmel is more than just a music distribution company. They are also like a music marketing agency that they kind of help artists get some exposure, get on editorial, stuff like that. So you can see right here it's all the services they offer. So you can see they offer Spotify promotion, both editorial and created, Apple Music promotion, both editorial and created and all of that, and Audiomack trending, also Audiomack editorial playlist and a lot of that. So basically you can literally just head over to this place to see to come and check out some of their services right here. So you can see right here, you can see these are a couple of artists they have promoted, and you can see they have also like done some editorial for some couple of artists. So you can see right here, these are some of the artists they have basically worked with basically. So so basically what you need to do is you just click on where it says start campaign. So in this video I'm going to be showing you guys two ways to actually get your song on editorial playlisting. And by the way guys, please, if you know you're finding any value from the video so far, please do well to give the video a like, smash that subscribe button, turn on the notification bell. So basically they have different kind of packages for Audiomack. So for the Audiomack they have the curated playlist basically. Yeah, so let me quickly show you guys how one of their curated playlists on Audiomack. So if I head over to okay, let me close this ad. So you can see right here that this is an example of like a curated playlist on Audiomack. So this playlist is now an editorial playlist. So this song was also added to some curated playlists, so just to like give it more exposure. So you can see right here that this is the song right here, this is the song right here, and you can see right here that this playlist kind of have a couple of streams, like about like 1,000 plus monthly listeners. And this song was also added to this New Music Friday on Audiomack. So you can see this is the song right here, this is the song right here. So basically you can see some of these playlists kind of have like high engagement. You can see 6,000 plus streams and all of that basically. In order for you to actually get your song playlisted on this playlist, it's gonna literally cost you just $4 basically. So they have different kind of like playlists. So the bigger the playlist, the higher the price basically. So you can see these are the price for the curated playlist basically. So for the editorial right here, this is how much we actually paid to get on the editorial playlisting right here. So you can see right here, this is how much we paid to get on both editorial and trending basically. So if you click on choose price right here, you can see this is about like 150,000 naira, which is about like $100 plus. So basically, what you just need to do right here is you just head over to Vibmel, pick any of their pricing plan, any of their promotion plan right here to get started, to start promoting your release. And one thing I love about Vibmel is that it's not necessary for you to distribute what's it called, your music on their platform for you to be able to use their promotional services. So if you're using other distribution platform like TuneCore, DistroKid, 1RPM, and you would like to try out their services, you could also do that right here. So what you just need to do is just pay for the promotion. And by the way, guys, this is 100% guaranteed. Like, this is 100% guarantee. Once you make a purchase for their package right here, your song is gonna be playlisted on Audiomack trending and on Audiomack editorial, because I've actually playlisted a couple of artists. I've playlisted a couple of artists. Like, I've used their services for like multiple times, and it has been 100% guaranteed for me for any promotion that I've been running for my artists, basically. So like I said, I told you I'm going to be sharing with you guys the second way, which is the free option. All you need to do is to head over to what's it called, your Audiomack creator dashboard right here. So just type in Audiomack creator right here. So what you need to do is just click on where it says creator dashboard. So once you click on the creator dashboard, it's gonna bring you straight to this page. So what you need to do is just scroll down to see where it says submit to trending. So you can see right here where it says submit to trending and playlist. So once you click on submit to trending and playlist, it's gonna bring out a couple of songs that are eligible for you to submit them to trending. But what you need to take note is that once you actually if you're gonna be going through this route, through this process, it might not be guaranteed. You might actually submit try pitching your song through the Audiomack creator dashboard, with like the artist dashboard on Audiomack, but it might not be guaranteed that your song is gonna get placed or is gonna get on Audiomack trending. If you want a chance of getting placements, the best platform you can use to get your song on Audiomack trending is for you to just use Vibmel music distribution, the website, pay for the trending and also the editorial. So basically, that was how I was able to get my artists on Audiomack and trending. And I hope this video was helpful to you, and if you know it does, please do what to give the video a like, smash that subscribe button and turn on the notification. So in my next video, I'm going to be walking you through how to get your song on editorial playlisting on Spotify and Apple Music, and also some of the things you need to do to secure your chance on getting placed. So if you don't want to miss out on this video, make sure you do well to smash that subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, so that anytime I drop out some videos like this, you're going to be the first person to be notified, because my channel is all about music marketing and everything you need to know about the music business.